I'm so happy having a yoga outside, breathing fresh air.
When we the carbon ups and go to Bali, lifting it just gets forward. And it's
Oh wow, taxi.
yeah.
Yes, big van. So how many? 6 people or 8 people can take a car, right? Okay, next time when we need a big car, we can call you. Yeah, all of a sudden we've discovered a container stay home in Bali. Wow, very unusual. Actually, no windows, very small room. And we just asked to show us just for fun, because curious. Wow, and here's the view. So this place is called Shack. It's good that this place is a little bit far from the main road, so it's silent inside. So beautiful. It's a view from our house, second floor. And Dennis just came back from the shop, and we just last time we bought wrong brushes for painting walls, just white. Bro. Oh my god. Wow, it becomes so strong. Stronger and stronger. Oh wow. Oh no, it's a video. So now I'm at home, and as you see, the renovation continues. Let me show you the room on the first floor. This looks like this. Wow. So we are changing electricity. Now it's like this. Oh my god. Yeah, so it became much better because it was gray to dark.
Да, причем у них прикольно, что они вместе, видишь, работают. Мы тоже как просто электрик приехал, сразу там 5 человек, да, что-то.
This zone. Tired?
Oh, fine, everything's fine.
First floor looks like this. Yeah, but I'm happy that the wall's already white, but still messy. And today I had a fashion coaching with my student. So I was just sitting here. So my student sees only white background, but when I showed what's around, she was like, wow, what's really happens now in my life. Okay, so today was a really nice day, and I'm so happy that I recovered because I was sick. I was sick for 1 week or two, no idea with the temperature, so feeling bad. But now, eventually, I became more active. I want to show you what's happening now. You see, bed mattress is here. Yes, the walls. So, setting new sockets, switches for the lighting. Remove the switches from here. Yes, I think yes, that's what's happening in the second room actually. And the first room now is like this. Almost the same actually. New switches. Yep. Okay. And here's another room. The workers will continue to work tomorrow, and the workers already painted the walls, and even they painted the bed, like bed frame. Bad thing that they smoke in the room. Yeah, it's not good, but yeah, I understand. So we used this brand, this color, and we used 20 liters for the whole house. And we have a light here because before we didn't have, so it became much secure at night and brighter. What's happening now?
So we invented the name for the house. So now it was named Vodka Cranberry, and we should definitely rename it. And we were thinking what could be the name of it. So these all the words we've been discussing. So different angles, different ideas. We thought about the highest dream we could imagine. What is it? And finally, Anna came up with one. Soul Hub. Seoul, it's both like Seoul, and we will plan for Koreans. Seoul Hub also very important idea of Seoul is also in this name. So I think we'll stay with it. Maybe something more sophisticated.
Yes,
right.
yes.
But anyway, it is the first naming that we can take a look of.
Yes.
Natural.
Here's the drawing. I was drawing, following my mood board, and I really like our evenings that we can sit all together and just draw as we want, discuss something, drink a tea. So it's a happy time. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Follow me here in my YouTube, Instagram, write comments. Okay, see you next day.
Yeah, see you.
Yay.